problem with me. The problem is within themselves. You also notice is there are a lot of women here. Okay, it's your choice to not to take pictures, and I would be happy if that whole fraternity says that no, we'll not take his pictures.
Do you think they'll be able to survive?
I hope they can. I hope they can survive. And at least there's some people who are there who've taken a stand. Right, wrong छोड़ो. अब stand वहाँ पर होता है जहाँ पर उनका नुकसान होगा. मेरा भी शायद हो, लेकिन नुकसान तो उनका definitely है इसके अंदर. And stand वही होगा कि हमारा नुकसान है इसके अंदर. हम इसकी तस्वीरें नहीं छापेंगे. I will have hats off photographers. Or all those photographers should stop that one person that he's leading them, because that one person or the one or two people who when he meets us alone, he joins hands, रोटी का सवाल बाल बच्चे हैं, कुछ तस्वीरें लेते, and then in groups they become like this. That's fine, and they get aggressive. Why they get aggressive? Because they want to disturb that party. Now, Baba Siddiqui's event, they were climbing over everybody. Everybody, the press was all over, from the chief minister to all the ministers to everybody, municipal commissioner, everybody who was there, they were all over. Nobody could say anything because, kya bole? And they're getting carried away with that stuff. But that stuff doesn't work with me, dude, because I don't want it to go to that level. And जब वो bodyguard, the problem is not me. They don't have a problem with me. The problem is within themselves. You also notice is there are a lot of women here. Yeah. How many women are photographers?
Few.
How many?
Two, three.
Why?
Because you can't survive in that fish market kind of world.
Exactly. So that means it is a monopoly of these people because they're aggressive, they're rough, etc., etc., etc. So women don't want to be a part of that. Is that a cool thing to do? It's not a cool thing to do at all. Why are there not as many women or more women there than men there? Because they're not aggressive, physically aggressive enough to be a part of that. Anyway, the loss is theirs. Now, my people, first of all, these people are not my people. Now, my people have been instructed, mat karo yaar. They know कि यार ये कुछ करेंगे उल्टा सीधा हो जाएगा, फिर ये कुछ प्रेस वाले छाप देंगे कुछ, ये रिलीज का टाइम है, एज इट इज रिलीज के टाइम पर we come on and do interviews and stuff like that, and then हम कहाँ तक के ये सेम टॉपिक के ऊपर बोलते जाएंगे कि ऐसा नहीं हुआ था वैसा नहीं हुआ था. तो जस्ट अवॉइड. अब उस चक्कर के अंदर थे और चढ़ते जा रहे हैं. Now if I was not there and they would have behaved like this with the royalty के bodyguards, the bouncers, just imagine हालत क्या होती. Because we are there, ये bouncers के भी हाथ बंधे हैं. Because you are on a private property, you've been invited, and then the fault is also of our PR team. Okay, why we call so many people? There are 8 or 10 publications. उनके एक एक दो आदमी को बुला लो जो इस टाइप की हरकतें करते हैं, उनको बुला मत. Everyone is सुधरो. So now what is going to happen, and this has been happening a lot with photography, and it's happening from time to time, unknown. Every 5, 6, 10 years, somebody like this comes up and tries to, to do some stuff like that, and there is no unity because everyone is trying to. Why are they coming so close to us? They have long lenses. When they have long lenses, you shoot from 30 feet away. Na? You shoot from that distance. There was a picture of Priyanka Chopra and me shot from outside the building in the middle of the night. He got the bloody picture, na? So why do you have to come so close? It is because they are competing with each other. So they're coming ahead. They keep on coming ahead. Why? You don't need to come ahead. आराम से एक अपना कोना लो और कट तस्वीरें खींची जाओ. You'll get nice pictures. You'll get candid pictures.